Most people use remote controls only for TVs, but today we're going to use one with Arduino. In this project, Arduino can read every button from an iRemote, display the button name and hex code on an LCD I2C display, and play a buzzer sound every time a button is pressed. This is a simple beginner-friendly project, but it teaches useful concepts that can be used in many future Arduino projects. We'll start by preparing the components and connecting everything using the wiring diagram shown on screen. After that, we'll continue with the real hardware setup, upload the Arduino code, and test the iRemote directly. You'll also learn how Arduino detects infrared signals and converts them into readable hex data. By the end of this video, you'll understand how iRemote communication works and how to use it as an input controller for your own projects. This can become the foundation for smart home systems, robots, menu navigation, MP3 controllers, and many other creative Arduino ideas.